and we're going to divide them by whole numbers this time. And the nice thing about dividing decimals is we really don't care about the decimal until we have our answer at the top. So on this one, we're basically just going to think 252 divided by 3. Okay, so your division rules are all the same. 3 can't go into 2, but it can go into 25 8 times, which is 24. And if I subtract, I have 1 left over. And then I bring down my 2. Then we divide again. 3 goes into 12 4 times, which is 12, with nothing left over. Okay, so that part is actually no different than when we learned to divide with whole numbers. Now the trick is, for the answer, is where to put our decimal point. It's actually pretty simple. You just put it straight above in your answer. Okay? And we normally don't have a decimal start by itself. We'll put a 0 in front of it. So this is 84 hundredths. So if I had 2 wholes and 52 hundredths, and I split them into 3 equal groups, each group would have 84 hundredths. Let's try another one. Now money is exactly like decimals too. Okay, so we're going to ignore the dollar sign and decimal point to start. So we're going to think 824 divided by 8. So 8 goes into 8 one time, which is 8. I subtract, I got nothing left. Now I bring down my 2. Now you can only bring down one number at a time. Okay, so 8 into 2, a lot of kids think they can't do that, and they just try to bring down another number. You can't do that. 8 goes into 2 0 times. Remember, 0 is a number. 0 times 8 is 0. I subtract, I have 2. Now I can bring down my 4. And 8 goes into 24 3 times, which is 24. And we have nothing left over. Okay, so now decimal and dollar sign, remember the decimal in your answer just goes straight above. So keep it nice and neat and organized so you know where that decimal goes. Then of course a dollar sign at the front. That's how you divide decimals by whole numbers.